Dark Lofts, July 20th, 2024. A few minutes after the last video, but finally going in there and taking a bath. Like I said, all it takes is one. Look at that, and they're gonna go. Look at that. And then in the cock loft, set up the water too, and look, they're in there already. Those guys didn't wait long at all. I was thinking of starting the video with those guys too, but you know, hey, it is what it is. Get that grizzle in the black. Look at that. Nice. That's what it's about, you know, just trying to take the best care of the birds that you can. You know, if you like to bait, so does the birds. So, you know, just let them be. These hens are really going for it now too. Look at that. Nice. That's what it's about. Just trying to take the best care of the animals as you can. Look at them now. They're all piling in there. Look at that. Got more bat bowls, so I'm gonna set up some more in there. But the Dark Lofts, Big Island of Hawaii. Bat day. Oh yeah. Boom.